The Rock Hulk 30,500-pound winch kit is specially designed for a wide range of vehicles, including all-terrain vehicles, sport utility vehicles, cars, boats, trucks, and jeeps, making it highly versatile. This winch kit is built to withstand harsh conditions with its waterproof and sandproof construction, and it comes with a double waterproof capstan cover for added protection. Equipped with a powerful 7.2 horsepower 12-volt motor, the Rock Hulk winch delivers reliable performance, complemented by a 3-stage planetary gear system for smooth operation. The kit includes a 100-foot-long, 3/8-inch diameter synthetic nylon rope, providing strength and durability for heavy-duty tasks. Its unique clutch brake system offers excellent control during operation, ensuring safety and precision when handling heavy loads. With easy installation, the Rock Hulk winch is user-friendly, but it is important to confirm the fit of the mounting plate and carefully follow the instructions to avoid wiring issues.